How to schedule a post on X. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really easy to schedule a post on X now. However, you must do it from your PC or your laptop. So let's dive right in. Open up your X or your Twitter account, and then on the left hand side on the bottom, you'll see a plus with feather icon. This is the post option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now write anything that you want. And here, beside the location option on the second last, you'll see schedule. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can choose the month, the day, the year, and the time that you want to schedule the post. So, if I schedule it for tomorrow morning, then it will be posted tomorrow morning at 7:37 a.m. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.